Welcome friend to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is, a manufacturer offers a 20% rebate on the market price of a product. The retailer offers another 30% rebate on the reduced price. The two reductions are equal to a single reduction of, so we have to find out the two reduction which have been made on a product. So to understand this question, we will divide this into two parts. Let's suppose here I take, so this is the shortcut. If someone wants to save time, so this is for them. So this is a shortcut method. But to understand conceptually, there is another method. Let's suppose I will take it here. So this is, let's suppose, conceptual method. To understand it conceptually. So this is conceptual method and this portion will be our shortcut method. So I will make you understand it in both the method. So here, the first reduction or rebate which the manufacturer has offered, that is 20%. So for this we take, let the price be, that is rupees 100. So we have just supposed the price that is 100. So we have just taken the price of the product, that is 100, and from this 100 the manufacturer offer reduction, that is 20%. So we take manufacturer's reduction, that is how much? That is 20%. So 20% of the main price. So what will be this? So here the production is 20%. So 20% of 100, the main price, how much it will be? So 100 we cancel out, so this becomes, that is 20 rupees. So we have just taken this as rupees. So the 20% of 100, that is 20. So how much is the reduction of the manufacturer? That is, therefore 100 minus 20 is equal to 80. So this is the reduction by manufacturer. So after the reduced price, now the price has become, that is 80 rupees. So this is the reduced price of the manufacturer. And further in the question it says that the retailer offers another 30% rebate. It means that another 30% of reduction has been made by the retailer. So therefore retailer offers, so retailer offer so how much is the retailer reduction? That is 30%. So what will be the 30% of this, of the reduced amount of the manufacturer? So 30% of 80. Now the price is 80 and this reduction is by the retailer now. So here we are having two reduction. One is by the manufacturer and the other is by the retailer, and now we are taking the percentage reduced of the retailer price. So the retailer price is, that is 80% after the reduction. So this becomes, that is, so 0 here we cancel out and this becomes, that is 3 multiplied by 80. We get here the answer, that is 24. So rupees, so this is the rupees. So 24 rupees is being further reduced by the retailer. So how much will now be the price? So becomes, that is 80 minus 24 is equal to 56 rupees. So the retailer will give the product in 56 rupees. And now if you see that two reduction has been made. So one is 24 and the other of the manufacturer, that is 20. So the two reductions. Now in the question it says that the two reductions are equal to a single reduction. So how much will be the two reductions? So therefore the two reductions will be how much will be the two reduction? One is 20. So this is 20% reduction. Let me take, let's suppose 20 by the manufacturer plus and 24 rupees by the retailer. That is 24. So this becomes, that is 44%. So this is asked in the percentage. So we take out the percentage. So this 44% is the two reduction of an atom. So this is our answer. I hope till here you have understood. And now the shortcut method we are having. So here also we get the same answer, that is 44. So here we take, let's suppose there are two reduction. So we take 1, x is equal to minus 20, and this minus represent the reduction, and this 20% reduction is by the manufacturer. And for y we take, that is minus 30% of the reduction by the retailer. And the formula for this we just have to memorize this formula, and this is very important. So this is, that is x plus y plus xy divided by 100%. So this is the main thing, and we have to put the values of x and y with the sign. So here we are having minus 20. So this becomes minus 20, and for y we are having, that is further minus. So again, so this sign will be changed. So minus 30, and so here it is plus. So minus 20 multiplied by minus 30. So this is minus divided by 100. Here we are having the percentage. So this becomes, that is minus 50 plus. So here minus into minus becomes, that is plus. So here 20 multiplied by 30, that is 600 divided by 100%. So 0 0 here we cancel out, and this becomes, that is minus 50 plus 6 is equal to minus 44%. So here we are having the percentage, and this minus represent the two successive discount or the reduction, and this minus 44 is the same thing which we have found out here, and this is also our answer. I hope the both method you have understood. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.